It gives me intense pleasure that I could come and take part in India CSR Summit 2023. And I have become a legislator just 1 month back. So it's a new experience for me. But when I began my term as a legislator, I read this quote of Tagore. It said, "I slept and dreamt that work is joy. I awoke and saw that work is duty. I acted and behold, service was joy." As a legislator, when I began my work, I found that service was joy. And especially as Swami Vivekananda said, service done to man is service done to God himself. So as a member of the Legislative Assembly, when I began meeting people, I understood that it is not enough that government funds will help them. It is only with the help of all the corporates who are here, who are sitting here, with your support, philanthropic activity. There was no law, but Dr. Manmohan Singh government made it a law, and today it's only country in the world which has a law which mandates corporate social responsibility. So I would request you to come and take part in the activities in our state to help the poor and the needy. In the 6th State Finance Commission recommendation, it has recommended that CSR funds should be used for the welfare of communities. There is, last day I visited a local body in my assembly constituency. So I was discussing how to improve the sports facility of that place. And I asked the Panchayat president and the secretary involved, can we use CSR for building this stadium? So they were totally unaware of the situation. And the secretary said it's not possible. But I come to understand that there are some ways of using it. You have to have government permission, special sanction for using it. If there is a government permission, it can be used directly. Otherwise, as the Companies Act allows partnership only. I think partnering is done in Companies Act. But direct fund currently is accepted only with the permission of the government. So LSG is one place, local self-government bodies is one place where we can do a lot of activity because there are a lot of unutilized land, a lot of unutilized places where we can use these funds. So I think some difficulties are there in solving that. Still, we can work out how to implement, how to bring about CSR in local bodies. I think if CSR can be used in local bodies, a lot of basic work can be done, especially the Panchayat roads. It needs a major renovation, major restoration. How is it possible? The panchayats are totally lacking in funds. So with CSR funds, a major transformation can happen in our country also. Not only in my state, in our country also, if they are allowed to use CSR funds. So I hope you will take interest in our state. Recently, UST World, it's a digital transformation solution company. It was awarded Trivandrum Management Association's Padosan Award. It was awarded by the governor of our state, and this company focuses itself on education, health, environment, and livelihood. So major recognition was given by the governor himself for using their CSR funds in Kerala. So I would request all of you to take interest in coming to our state and investing in CSR, and this will change the approach how our state runs. Today actually is the day when one of our major ports in Kerala has come into being. Today, Vizhinjam project has come into place. The first ship has come to this port. The advantage of this port is that it is the largest mothership can come there without any digging. Without any digging, this largest mothership can come. And this port has the potential to change future of Kerala, and I believe future of India also, because a lot of ships which goes to Colombo can come over to Trivandrum, and that help our state as well as our country also. So a major change is happening within our state. A lot of development is going to come into place, and with your help, we could use your funds to transform the Kerala society also. I don't want to take much of your time, and I'm very thankful that I was invited for this event, and I would request you to take part in our social development activities, which will actually help you as well as my state. Thank you.